Sam?
Yeah, I'm just looking in your camera.
Got him. Good job, bro.
How can I get him now?
We'll get him for a cold man shooting frogs with the bow and arrow.
Yeah, I'll take that. I'll just take the light.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You put the smack down on that little sucker, didn't you? Smack down.
Ooh. That was missed.
That's what you're supposed to do right there. Cold man.
That's that bird nest thing.
Good job, man.
No more? No snakes?
Good job. Get ready for the next one. We're gonna go do some fishing with that boy.
I think I tore that one up really good.
Ready? Man missed him with an arrow, so he decided to shoot him with the 22. Go ahead. Missed it. You got him that time.
I think you got him in half.
Look like you cut him in half, yeah. Go ahead, man. You ain't worried about that big old water moccasin you killed a while ago?
Yes, I am. How did it get from there to there?
Did.
Sure?
Yeah. He did.
Yeah, okay.
Here's a big one right over here. Come over here.
Ready?
Yep. Got his butt.
I lost my arrow.
No, your arrow's right there.
Ooh. Slashed just like hell.
Ready? Cock it and load it, because you got one right across from you. Go ahead. Oh.
What?
You body shot it, man. You made him do the splits. Good job, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, Shenlong.
That's what I'm talking about.
Got him.
There's another one right there. Right here.
Ready?
Hold on, he done jumped in the water.
No, he's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that was a different one.
Oh. You like him?
Hold on, let me find him. Yeah, go ahead.
Got him.
You got him. Good job, bro. Good job.
Right in the head.
Right in the head, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a good one.
Where
Can
is
you
he?
hit that one down there?
Oh, there he is. I have to do a little closer. Ready?
Hold on. Yeah. Good job, bro. Go ahead, get it.
Oh, that's a...
Good job, man.
He's actually quite big.
Yeah, that's a good one right there.
You see another one? Look under the thing.
How many do you want?
This is good. I'm sure enough. If you want to go to the house, then we can go.
Let's see if there's any on this side.
I can't see that. Where? I don't see none.
Y'all see that one right there?
No?
Right in the middle of my light?
Oh. Got it?
I got it.
I just heard another hiss.
Coleman shooting frogs with a bow and arrow. Bait man. Bait man, bait man. That's what I'm talking about.
I missed.
No, you got him. He's stuck.
Sure? See him?
Yeah.
Great.
Got him, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Put the hammer down on him, didn't you?
I'm not gonna nail this time. Whoa. Oh.
This is Coleman. That's the way he catches
Hey,
bait.
but that's not it. We got 4 more that are already bagged from a long time ago. And
Thank you, bro.
They're about that size. They're all. Wait, what'd you say?
You did a good job, man. Thank you.
No, thank you for taking me.
We're going to catch some monster cats with them frogs tomorrow.
This one's awesome.
Oh, those are nice.
You should just keep that one.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
Remember when you started hunting? How long ago did you start hunting?
3. I started shooting my gun, learning how to shoot a 3. For a year, I learned how. It took me a year to get it all situated, and then at 4, I started killing everything.
Yeah, you did. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Love you, man.
Love you too.
Bye.